welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to show you using police statistics, not my statistics, not my opinion, but police statistics, to demonstrate that Jamaica's murder rate is even higher than it is reported. How much higher? Well, we're going to discuss it. But before we go into all of that, recently I did a video and I was bringing back or showing you how far Jamaica's crime problem has come from. And I was using some numbers that I got from a website called commonsenseja.com, right? Because the website, right? However, on their list showing the years and the murders, there were some missing. 96 was missing, 97 was missing, and 2001 was missing. Now we finally find 96 and 97. Because remember back then I said that the first year Jamaica go over 1,000, right? Was 2002. Actually, 1997 is the first year Jamaica went over 1,000 murders. It's right there on your screen. This is from the JCF website. This is not my opinion. 1997. Just I put that all here because, as I say, when I did the video saying your favorite politicians are clueless, no matter who you want to go back to, right? The 1,000 mark, because the 1,000 mark is the disaster mark, right? 800 and 900 terrible to you know. Don't get it right though. Don't be confused. 800 and 900 terrible to you know. But the 1,000 mark is disaster mark for Jamaica. That's how you end up. Anything over 1,000 for a country like Jamaica, for our population, we're topping the murder chart, the top percentile. Just don't want to put that out here. 1997. Yeah. And 1996 wasn't much better either. When 925, not far off. Anyway, let me get into the video. Jamaica's real murder rate is much higher than being reported. Let me show you why I said that. Look on your screen, because I did something similar like this when I did the video on the photographer guy, Nick Photoworks. We kind of touched on this, but now if we go dig a little deeper. These stats are from the JCF for the year 2019, so recent, right? From January the 1st to December 26, 2019. It don't even cover the whole year. But what was the reported amount of people who were killed that year? I will tell you. Officially, the figure is 1,339. Alright, keep that figure in your head. 1,339. Now look on your screen. You see, to the far left, you see person, then you see males, then you see females, then you see a total. Under that, you see them have a section for the kids, then you have a section for the adults. Notice the section of the totals up at the top, that everybody were missing for this time period. 2,178. Below that, you see total returned. 1,380. You see total reported dead, 39. But look where the arrow point on. Total outstanding, 759. Remember that this is just 2019 alone, from New Year's Day to Boxing, 26-hour Boxing Day, right? 759 Jamaicans were still quote unquote outstanding. Nobody not find them. So guess what? In theory, all 759 could be dead. 60% of that number could be dead. 50% could be dead. 30%. Nobody knows for sure, but what we do know for a fact is that the 1,339 figure is not accurate. Are you with me? Or are you with me? I hope Simple Simon can keep up, because I'm not really do too well with them video. Too busy right now in the comment section, so me look views. Bad mind him favorite artist. I'm not fight against scammer. But we like to use basic reasoning now and basic logic. We're not nothing complex. We're not involved in trigonometry, nothing we're involved in no calculus. Basics this. 759 people are still outstanding. In other words, they don't know where they're there. But they are not added to the murder list because they don't know who murdered and who's still alive and who run away and who not come back and who buried. And when people realize just how high the real figure could be. In theory, for 2019, Jamaica might have had over 2,000 murders. 759. Remember, 1 year. This is 1 year. Now you see what I'm talking about? Now you see why Jamaica is not only have a higher murder rate, but way above everybody else. Way above everybody else. Because if we are come second and third and first with 1,300, because 2020 we got 1,301 and top the whole region. So imagine with 2,000 or anywhere near 2,000, we'd have way ahead. We'd have a gap and the rest of the country them like when you see they run the 9-5. Talk to me in the comment section. On the seat or on the seat? Where them 759 Jamaicans there? Who knows? Who knows? When me telling you say, places like Riverton, Rivoli. Well, probably Riverton too, but Rivoli we know about definitely. Over Waterloo inside, the real core, but the amount of Jamaicans were buried over Rivoli. No, the amount of Jamaicans were buried in some rural part of Jamaica where nobody no know, where nobody no go. The amount of people will get thrown into the real core and what we're gonna see. You can't count. Residents who come from Spanish Town can tell you the amount of people with them know personally in them life were missing all in a 1 year. And that's those who them know. Much as across the whole Spanish Town, across the whole St. Catherine, across the whole Jamaica. And the next thing you need to consider, this is who is reported missing, because enough people go missing and them don't even bother report them. We now account for the people who, if them go missing, nobody now go report it. For example, if a homeless man on the street go missing, who you think I go file a report on a station for him? When I realize just how high Jamaica's murder rate really is. $759. That's not 70, you know. Because if it's 70, then you can say, well, that's negligible, because out of the 70s, 30 mile runway and 30 mile 7. What the best case scenario the people in Jamaica want to use to split up this number? Which number will we go with? Let's be generous and say 50% of them people are dead. Which is very generous. 50%. Let's just roll it up to 760. Right. That's still 380 people. That's still 380 people when if you get added to the 1,339. And that's at 50%. Who knows if it's 60? Now it can be the other way as well. It can the real figure can be 10-20% dead. We don't know. That's the point. We don't know. All we know is nobody know where them there. They're outstanding. Man, people are outstanding from the 90s, and all know them can't find those people. Until they reported dead, or after a while the police them say, you know what, him dead. Them not go on the murder count for that year. At some point, the police them might say, you know what, alright, him gone now. Add him to a third, but not that year. This, when you see the 1,339 people, that's just who did lie down on the ground. Police pull up, scene a crime, take some picture, carry him got the mark. That's who them a report on. I don't even think JSAF know how much people in Jamaica. Because the amount of man was missing, just go missing completely. Man just get dashed in a real cobra. And nothing come out of it. You know, say people get them from them loved ones missing and them didn't bother report it, right? In some place. Because them know right away what happened to the loved one. And them know right away them not find by nothing. And them know there's not going to be no funeral. Some people don't bother report it. Just like all the real stats when it come down to Pitney, we get feel up in Jamaica. You see, whatever those numbers are for Jamaica, double it or triple it. Because when it comes on to reporting Pitney, especially Pitney, where all pest feel them up, that is very underreported in Jamaica. Because enough parents, enough relatives tell Pitney to shut them mouth. Shh, shh, nobody bring down the shame panel. Shh, shh, and silence Pitney. So the real figures for that is, as I said, double it or triple it, quadruple it. But whatever it is right now, it's not accurate. That's a fact. Same thing for murder. The real figure, we don't know the real figure. So when in a year 1,300 get killed every year, 1,200, 1,400, just know say that's just what them find and what they know about. The real figure could be closer to the thousands, to the 2,000s. Who knows? All I know is nobody don't know what happened to them. And you know what, in my opinion, somebody who run away only run away for so long. Because when your loved ones and your girlfriend and your wife or your baby mother or whoever or your friend them go report you as missing, because them not no clue where you turn. If you just take with yourself, remember enough man running from Jamaica. But them family and them friends know so run them runway and them family no report them missing because the family knows so them no runway. Sorry, the family knows so them not dead. So the family now no need to report them as missing because the family knows they ain't gone at Trinidad and gone to America. So when you see somebody come file and say, listen, this man is missing, we can't find him. How much people only think left Jamaica out of the 759? We not tell no friend, no relative, nobody at all, they ain't gone somewhere. What percentage do you think out of the 7? I would bet on the minority. If I was a betting man, I'd tell you the majority of them people there are dead. Jamaica is a small place. Man gone missing from 2005. Man not no passport, man not have nothing. Right, nobody know, family know when turn. Come on. I mean, look at the kids section. 474 outstanding. 470. There were more outstanding Pitney than adults. When you think Pitney jump on plane, you think Pitney go to airport, go take plane, go on a foreign, on visa, and whatever, and passport, and nobody know. First thing when you report it missing, the police can know, can run with airport and find out who go through what and who go through what. Where you think Pitney go get second name and go take boat for Jamaica? Pitney? See that only 5 reported dead, 474 outstanding. What you think 7-year-old moved from Portland, gonna St. Elizabeth, gonna start a new life for him baby mother? When you think only for 10-year-old them were gone missing, or when you think they move gone a Negril, gonna start a business and start a new life? That's the thing. Where them pitney they gone? Notice 370. 370 what are still outstanding are females, little girls. The majority of people in Jamaica now ask the right question, them I'm telling all the time. Too caught up in the entertainment and gimmicks. When you know everything on the favorite celebs them I do, everything on the favorite celebs pit them I do. And the Jamaican pit them only for keep on the eye them pan. With 370 of the girl them missing and 104 of the boys them missing in a 1 year. But nobody ask the question. What am to them pitney there? Or 474 pitney for missing in a 1 year. Still outstanding. I will know there's so much things that go on around the world. All kind of trafficking and all. And 474 pitney missing in a 1 year. I will know where you activists them there. Where human rights activists them, they will love balls to them, love the kids and them love the future. Where them there? Where the uproar? Or you don't get righteous points for this. You don't get woke points for this. Let them wait till one next big event go on a foreign for them can run in pan. That them a wait pan. 474 after one. The youths for them claim them love missing and them not 474. We not ask the right question them. We not asking leaders in the right question them. Where's the follow-up? Alright, 2019, this happened. Where's the follow-up? Come I try to find this and try and find that. We can't find much. We need to get regular updates on these missing persons. Just like government, them have big C list. Let them say, alright, 100 catch it, 2 dead. I saw one see missing updates. 474 pitney, where they gone? We already know some of the others them dead, but we know some of them take boat and gone and find all kind of thing. We don't know. Right. But you're not going to convince me so much pitney take it, get up on them own and gone and nobody can ever find them again. Pitney run away, you know. Pitney will run away. But for missing forever and ever and ever? Really? It don't look good at all. So as me say, no matter which way you slice it, even if only one out of the 759 dead, the real crime rate, the real murder figure is higher. If even just one. And what are the odds only one out of the 759 people who are still outstanding 2019 dead? Just one. What are the odds on that? Come on. If you don't believe in them 759 people are dead, link me for a 6-pack of the unicorn meat. Because you're the type of person that would buy such a product and consume it. Anyway, Patreon squad, look up yourself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Ultra squad. Stay circling. Bound to be some scraps somewhere. Bless.